Ready to have a vast library of code snippets and solutions at your fingertips? Today, we're exploring Code Recipes Pro, an app designed to be an essential reference tool for developers working across multiple programming languages. Code Recipes Pro provides a directory of standard, frequently used operations and code samples for a wide array of languages, including Swift, Java, JavaScript, Python, Rust, PHP, C#, C++, Golang, TypeScript, Kotlin, Ruby, and SQL. Users consistently praise its comprehensive collection of over 300 code samples per language, drawing from best examples in books and online resources. It's highly valued for saving hours of search time, helping developers quickly recall syntax when switching between languages, and serving as an excellent tool for exam preparation or interview practice. All examples are available offline, and the app offers quick search functionality. The developer states no data is collected from this app, ensuring user privacy. However, some users have suggested minor interface improvements like options to hide the icon sidebar or display line numbers in the code viewer. While incredibly useful as a reference, it's not an integrated development environment, IDE, for writing and executing full applications, but rather a robust collection of tested code recipes for specific tasks. What's your thought?